that's about 1 hour. And the rotor axis was pointing and is pointing directly at about 5 degrees. The legs of the gimbal that's attached to the clock, moving clock tabletop platform thing, has moved round from 5 degrees, or I think it may have been 10 degrees, I'll have to go back and have a look, to between 20 and 25 degrees, which would correlate with the turn of the Earth being 15 degrees per hour, or 360 degrees in 24 hours. So I'm happy with this. I'm not sure whether to leave it another hour or not. I'll just set it up more rigidly. But for all intents and purposes, it seems to be resisting the friction in the bearing. This is an unoiled, non-ball bearinged pivot on the bottom of the gyro. I think it's copper maybe, or brass. Looks like brass. I'm talking quite slowly because any movement in here might rock it, and I don't want to jog it or muck it up. I'm going to leave it for another hour, see how it gets on. So there we've got a record. So we've got the gyro pointing at 5 degrees. And the gimbal leg pointing at, I'm going to say 20 degrees. 20, it's different when you look at it to when you look at camera. Okay, let's give it 22 degrees. Okay. And that was at 8 p.m. Later. So we have the gimbal leg is pointing at 35. And the gyroscope is dead set on 5 degrees. No change. And so this is where everyone thinks it could be faked a million ways. And of course it could. So this is where people say that this is rigid. It's holding it in place. Well, it's not. That's where they say it's stuck. So we move it this way. And we move it that way to show it's not stuck. And all in all, that's all it, isn't it? Now that shows it's not stuck to that. That's all in all, and this spin screw releasing. This is the bearing. It was accused of holding this gyroscope steady, so as not to show the movement of the Earth. However, I think what we've shown here is that there's nothing wrong with this gyroscope setup or bearing. Right, I'll leave it there. Alright then, so experiment 3 effectively. We have this rather crude contraption. It's consisting of the gyroscope, the motor, and onboard attached batteries. That's basically the setup, and it weighs less than the motor with the counterweight that was attached to the wall socket, so it should in theory be more sensitive than the original 6-hour experiment. So we shall see how we get on there. I don't suspect the batteries are going to last much longer than an hour, but within an hour we should see 15 degrees of turn. So I think we'll kick that off and see how it gets on. But as you can see, the wire is there. There's no wires attached. It's freely flowing, and yeah, we'll see how it gets on. Right, so I'll get the batteries going and line it up and leave it for as long as it'll go. 0 on the camera. Much quieter. You see the clock there. Okay. Clock is on 29 minutes past, 30 minutes past. I can see the camera doing some funky things with autofocus, which is why it looks like it's shifting left and right. But that's 30 minutes working now. Okay, that's been over an hour. As you can see, there's no movement. I'm not going to carry on, as I think we all know where this is going. So, wires or not, bearing friction or not, the Earth is not spinning. Got the setup. Got it running. It's been running now for nearly half an hour. 26 minutes. I'm really not seeing any movement at all. At this point, it should have precessed 7.5 degrees. As we can see, it's not precessed at all. So we'll just demonstrate that this spins, turns with the page when it's not spun up, when the gyro is not spun up. So let's spin it up and then I'll show you how it keeps its position. So that's just spinning up there now, you might be able to hear it. Even at this low speed, the gyroscope will hold its position. See that? Okay, so what we want to do, line it up exactly okay. Okay, so that's 6 hours, no movement whatsoever. As the video's shown, no one's tampered with it, touched it, gone anywhere near it. So what I'm going to do now is move the protractor underneath it and simulating the movement of the earth, just showing you that it's not fixed or glued or whatever other craziness you think I might be pulling. So, can you witness this?
Yeah, I'm with you. I'm with you.
Thank you. So there you see, if anything below it was moving, it would maintain its position with rigidity in space, and we started it off there for 6 hours and we have no movement whatsoever.